Hello, my name is Michelle Fields. Welcome to my classroom. I live in the United States of America. I have a bachelor's degree in business administration. I also have a 120-hour TESOL certificate. I was a classroom tutor for 5 years. I was also an online English teacher for 3 years. During that time, I taught English to students all over the world. Some of my students lived in China, Indonesia, and Saudi Arabia. My students ranged in age from 5 to young adults. As an online English teacher, my focus is to help my students improve in their word recognition skills, pronunciation skills, as well as conversational English skills. To ensure my students progress in their English language learning, I offer my students lots of patience, words of encouragement, but most of all, a fun learning experience every time. So thank you so much for watching this intro video. I look forward to seeing you in my classroom. Goodbye.